Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on my channel. It's Graphy here. Today I'll be telling you what I'm looking at for the second week of October. Remember, this is not a financial advice. Please do well to also check and review the markets today also, as we are going to be starting the next trading week. Right, so let's get straight into it. On the monthly time frame, I'll start on the monthly time frame. On the monthly time frame, we can see that we closed inside of this candle range right here. As you can see, we closed inside of this range and we took this equal highs and then we closed inside of the range. So what am I looking at? Knowing this, I'm expecting price to move to the previous month's low. That is my drawn liquidity for this month, to move to the previous month's low, right? That's what I'm looking at on the monthly time frame. Now on the weekly time frame, we can see that price took this range high and then formed a CISD, a change state of delivery, indicating that price wants to move lower, right? So seeing this, I know that okay, I'm moving lower and this is my drawn liquidity right here. Is my drawn liquidity right here, right? Now, seeing this, I know I'm bearish for the second month of October, the second week of October, sorry. Now, I'll move to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we can see that price took this range, this swing low, and then we formed a retracement to the upside right here, and the retracement went as high as this, as you can see. We took this swing low and we traced to the 70%, 70.5% of the range into this other block right here, right? And then if you can also look closely, you see that we have this as a CRT formed inside bar, and then also facilitated the move to the upside to take out this high, and we close inside of this range, right? Now, knowing this, I know that we are moving lower, and this will be my drawn liquidity right here for the second week of October. So I'm expecting price to move lower the second week of October, right? And also, if you zoom in also, you would see that we also have a daily CLT that formed inside of this CLT, right? This candle completed this CLT and then formed another CLT as this candle went higher to take out the CLT high and then move lower. This can also be an OT retracement for this candle in sequence. As you know, we have model 1 entry, we have turtle soup, we have model 1 entry, and now we are having an OT entry. So I'm expecting the move lower, then to form the KOD and to complete the sequence, right? So that's what I'm looking at on EU for the second week of October. Now I'll be explaining how I am in this sell trade. I am in a sell trade right now. Right, on Wednesday, 1st of October, as you can see, we also have this candle that I'm working with. This is the candle I'm working with right here. So I did not trade on the 30th of September because it was the last day of the month, and I needed to be careful, right? Now on the 1 hour time frame, using the time frame alignment, we can see that, so using time frame alignment, we know we are moving from the daily to the 1 hour time frame to look for our entries, right? Now we had this move higher on 31st of September, 30th of September, took the high, move higher again, took the high to form equal highs right here. From equal highs right there. So I was expecting price to move higher to take out these equal highs to form a CRT. Now, if you can look at the market profile, you see that once we opened, we straight up went into a consolidation, and during the London session, you can see we went higher. We manipulated during the London session to form the manipulation to take out these highs, and then it gave us a CISD. I took the CISD right here, and I was looking at, and I was targeting, this low right here, which is give us a 4.4 RR. And now, as you can see, price went lower. Price went to the 50% of this range, but did not move lower to complete it, and instead it reversed on there. Now, I took partials upon seeing this, on price reaching the 50% of this. That's for a 2R, yes, for 2R. I saw that, and then I took that, and I allowed price to play out. And now, as you can see, we formed another. Now, as you can see, we formed another CISD right here. Let's zoom into this. We saw that we took this high, this period is high, right? Took this high, and then we formed another CISD. But I did not take this trade because it was coming to the end of my Q zone, and I don't trade outside of my Q zone. As you can see, it's 1 p.m. It's already 1 p.m. So that was why I did not take this second entry, right? So that's what I'm looking at for this second week of October. I'm expecting price to move lower and then move to complete the CRT, right? Thank you very much. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.